One person was injured and another person lost his life after hitting a massive bull on Jolaibari bypass road on Thursday. The fire service was immediately informed and the injured were taken to Jolaibari Primary Health Center. It is learned that contractor Biplop Barua was coming from Sarchan towards Santir Bazar on a bike. He was knocked down by a bull on the road at Jolaibari bypass on the Agartala National Highway. As a result, the bike driver Biplop Barua died on the spot and another young man, Devabrata Sarkar, who was with him, was also seriously injured. His home is in Santir Bazar. Hearing the loud noise, the people of the area informed the Jolaibari Fire Department and the injured were rescued and brought to Jolaibari Primary Health Center. The on-duty doctor declared Biplop Barua dead and the doctor referred the other injured person to Santir Bazar District Hospital for better treatment.
যে লাস্টটা আসছিল এটা তার আনুমানিক কত সময় আসলে হসপিটালের মধ্যে 8:35 এটা স্যার মানে বাড়ি কোথায় হে নাম কি
নাম বিপ্লব বড়ুয়া বাড়ি জব গেট আর কে থানা
না স্যার বাড়ির লোকেরা তার জানানো হয়েছে
পুলিশ মেবি জানাইছে
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
Police from Jolaibari and Baikhor police stations rushed to the scene after receiving the news. Your report, Chini Khorang.